So hello everyone, I'm here to teach you how to solve quotient rule. So yung formula ng quotient rule is d over dx, f of x over g of x is equal to g of x d over dx of f of x minus f of x d over dx g of x over g of x squared. So may isang example tayo dito, which is 4x squared minus 3 over 1 minus 2x. So malapit din kung saan yung f of x and g of x dito. So the f of x is the numerator and g of x is denominator. So yung unang step natin dito, susundin natin yung formula niya, which is g of x d over dx f of x. So g of x natin dito is 1 minus 2x. 1 minus 2x and d over dx of 4x squared minus 3 minus 4x squared minus 3 d over dx 1 minus 2x, and then over 1 minus 2x squared. So let's simplify. Y prime is equal to 1 minus 2x. So derivative ng 4x squared minus 3 is x squared, x 8x, and then minus, copy the 4x squared, and then derivative ng 1 minus 2x is only 2 over 1 minus 2x. So after nito, ipo-formulate natin siya ulit. So y prime is equal to 8x times 1 nagiging 8x, 8x times negative 2x nagiging negative 16x squared, and then negative 2 times 4x magiging 8x squared negative, then negative 2 times negative 3 magiging positive 6 over 1 minus 2x, and then y prime is equal to 8x minus 16x squared. Since may negative sign dito, so magiging mag-change sign yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So yung negative 8 magiging positive 8x squared, and yung positive 6 magiging negative, and copy the denominator 1 minus 2x squared. So after nito, i-simplify na siya. So 16x squared plus 8x, since negative yung 16, magma-minus tayo, bali 8x squared na lang siya, squared plus 8x, and then negative 6 over 1 minus 2x. Basically, ito na po yung ating final answer, but pwede ba natin siyang ma-simplify, since yung 886 divisible by 2, pwede siyang i-factor as 2 4x squared and plus 4x minus 3 over 1 minus 2x squared. So ito pa yung final answer. Thank you.